Hi guys, Evan here at Bartlett Automotive Huntingdon. Today we've got this beautiful 992 Gen 1 GTS. It's been brought in with some convertible roof issues. Customer's done a little bit of work on the vehicle and now the roof no longer operates, so let's have a look at it. So I scanned the fault memory of the vehicle, found a load of communication faults with the roof control unit. So I'm going to take my multimeter now and see if we can find the cause of the issue. So I've checked over the supplies and the grounds to the control unit. They all look okay. I've looked over the CAN bus network wires. The wiring looks fine, so I'm going to chuck the oscilloscope on it now. I'm going to check the signal, make sure that's okay. So you can see the signals now on the oscilloscope. Everything looks absolutely fine, which now only leaves the control unit. So it needs a convertible roof control unit. I did also see the battery sensor has some over voltage issues, so there's potential that at some point someone's jump started the battery on the battery sensor rather than the ground point. So we're going to be putting a battery sensor on it as well. The convertible roof control unit's here now, so let's get to fitting it. So the control unit's all fitted to the vehicle now. I've also carried out coding and programming of the control unit to the vehicle. All that's left now to do is to de-standardise it, re-standardise it, carry out calibration, and hopefully all should be good. Right, so calibration's all gone through successfully. I've checked the fault memory for any more remaining faults on the vehicle and there's nothing left. Now all that's left to do is to fit the battery sensor, put the vehicle back together and carry out a road test. So having fit the convertible roof control unit, programmed it, coded it, carried out all the calibrations and everything, unfortunately we are still experiencing a few issues with the rear spoiler control unit. Having carried out some further diag into it, I have found a faulty control unit. So we'll have the control unit for this in the next couple of days so the customer can have their car back for the sunny bank holiday.